Hey folks, welcome to the second video in the Simple ML for Sheets tutorial series. In this video, we'll be just taking a look at Simple ML for Sheets, and I'll be showing you how to install this add-on and get started. So right now I'm at the simplemlforsheets.com website where I have the documentation and how to install it. So Simple ML, since as we talked in the introduction video, Simple ML for Sheets is also referred to as Simple ML, which is a machine learning add-on which can be used inside Google Sheets, and you don't even need to know machine learning for that, or you don't even need to know coding, and you don't even have to share data with third parties. So this is an add-on that has machine learning capabilities structured into beginner task and advanced task, which we'll be taking a look at in the next videos that are there. So I'll be just showing you how to install it on your Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet that I have here. I'll be just going to my extensions. I'll be clicking on add-ons and I'll click on get add-ons here. And in a few seconds, the Google Workspace Marketplace will open up, and I'll just search for Simple ML for Sheets. And you can see this is the first one that comes up here. It is by the TensorFlow Decision Forest team. I'll just go ahead and click on install. To just before you install, you need to give access to it. So you can just click on allow, and in a few seconds, the Simple ML for Sheets add-on will be installed on your Google Sheet, and you can access this from any Google Sheet. And if I click on my extensions, and you can see Simple ML for Sheets, and if I click on start, in a few seconds the add-on will load up, and there are different things that you can do here. You can predict missing values. These you can predict missing values, spot abnormal values, and in the advanced you can train a model, make predictions, evaluate, understand a model, and even manage and even export them. So we'll be covering these features in the later part of the video, and if you want to directly jump onto the video, you can check out the playlist link in the description. The only prerequisites for this course is going to be just understanding how Google Sheets works, and just having a just being familiar with Google Sheets. I hope you enjoy this course, and I would love your feedback. In the next video, we'll be taking a look at these features and these things that you can do with this specific add-on. And I'll be leaving all the resources links in the description. You can check that out. See you in the next one.